Hey Shane, I've got a 2018 Tahoe Premier with 56,000 miles on it. This one is black. You're gonna have your 22-inch wheels. This one will not have the power running boards. It will have the stationary boards. You're gonna have the black badging around it. LED headlights. The chrome and black wheels. This thing is gorgeous. You do have the proximity sensors on the door, so you don't have to have the key out. The power lift gate, the tow package. You will have your rear park sense on it. There's the features on it. There's your proximity sensors. You will have the blind spot monitoring. You also have your Bose sound system, the heads-up display. Now this one does not show you the fuel economy or what's left on your fuel. It's 56,000 miles for four-wheel drive, lane sense, everything the same for the most part. Your heated, cooled seats. You're gonna have the tan interior on this one rather than the black. You will have your sunroof. So you're gonna have the carpet mats in this one. You do have your headphones, your USB, and your HDMI, and the heated seats back here. You're gonna have your bench seating in the back, and there's your entertainment system. All right, thank you, Shane.